Maybe you've heard that you can make money online taking surveys, but let's face it, most of these survey websites are a total and utter scam, and you might end up making only a few dollars for hours worth of work. I found 15 websites that you can start using to make easy money daily, and most of them require no experience and costs, nothing to start. The number one of these websites will make you more money than, well, an app machine. The overall impression, though, is that Google Opinion Rewards is different, and it actually works for starters based on, 2.6 million reviews. While it's simpler for lesser survey websites to con you, Google is one of the biggest companies in the world and is most likely to keep their word to pay you for taking surveys. Google Opinion Rewards is provided to you by the same firm that powers Google. Feedback from Google lets you take very brief surveys, some of which last just a few seconds, and earn money while doing so. You can take these surveys during the commute home from work, at night in bed, or, dare I say it, while you have a meeting with nature. Getting started is simple. Just download the app on your phone and answer a few questions about yourself. You'll then start to receive notifications whenever a survey is available to take, with the money being sent directly to your PayPal account. But even if you can only make a few additional dollars during your free time, it may mount up quickly. It won't change your life, but it is simple money, so I'll give it a 1 out of 10. What makes Enroll different from some of the other similar websites on this list is that Enroll does not require you to have a microphone or webcam. Enroll is a user testing website that allows you to make easy money testing websites, mobile apps, and things like that. The idea is simple. Join the website as a tester and get paid for taking usability tests and providing feedback based on your experience. You can quickly review the prerequisites, adhere to the guidelines, and respond to a few straightforward inquiries regarding your website using experience. A brief test of a few minutes can reward you between 50 cents and $2, while a longer, more difficult test can pay up to $10. I'll give Enroll a 2 out of 10 because it's not the best on the list, especially when compared to number 1, but there are some better user testing websites that do pay more money, which we'll go over shortly. Nonetheless, you can still use this website in addition to the other websites that we'll go over shortly. The Best Secret Shopper website allows you to register and start making additional money by engaging in activities like dining and shopping. Exceptional mystery shopper jobs are available as independent contractors on an assignment-by-assignment basis, and you have complete discretion over whether to accept or reject a job offer when it arises. Second to None, which provides shopping assignments around the U.S. and Canada, was actually chosen as Inc.'s greatest place to work in 2019. All you need to get started as a secret shopper is a cell phone, a stable internet connection, and a means of transportation. Getting started is simple, and you can start earning as much as $20 per hour. I've made as much as $7,800 in a year doing this. That's the income that Zipporah Jones earns from her side gig as a mystery shopper. What if there was a way for you to sell the photos you took with your iPhone or Android device to businesses like Bank of America Craft, Sony, and Volvo, and make money doing it? I'm talking about selfies, food photos, and pretentious pictures of sailboats. As you've probably guessed by now, you can do this with a website called FOAP, which sounds way too similar to another word to comment on. The FOAP app enables you to post the movies and photos you create with your phone and sell them to brands, agencies, or essentially anyone who is prepared to buy them. VOAP will then split the income with you 50/50. By submitting videos and photos to their missions, you can also make even more money. Just follow the mission guidelines and upload one or more videos or photos that reflect the style of imagery the brand is looking for. If they choose your submissions, which can happen with multiple photos, you can make hundreds of dollars more. To get started, just download the app on your Apple or Android device, create a free account, and start posting. I rate this at a 4 out of 10. In addition to being a sort of fruit, Lime is also a scooter manufacturer from which you may profit handsomely. You might be wondering, Joshua, how can I make money with scooters? And more importantly, why are you holding a line? Being a lime juicer, you can generate money by juicing scooters. People who juice limes don't actually juice limes. Instead, they juice scooters that are harvested from the street by lime juicers, who then charge or juice the scooters before returning them to the app's designated drop-off locations. The technique is really simple, and lime juicers can make around $8 each scooter, with the amount earned per scooter potentially increasing depending on how difficult it is to gather the limes. Many lime juicers have reported making between $20 and $30 per hour when juicing limes. Lime Juicer gets a 5 out of 10 from me. So you've probably heard of the scooter company Lime, but there's another one called Bird that you can earn money from by charging scooters. The idea of earning money with Bird is a little bit different, but honestly, it has more potential to do so than with Lime. When you sign up as a Bird flyer through the app, you start out as a mere level 1 flyer. However, you can level up by completing various tasks. With each status level, you gain additional earning potential. For instance, at level 2, you'll gain access to better paying charging activities like collecting and charging scooters. The base price for each scooter is $5, but the harder it is to collect the scooter, the greater the compensation. Active Bird flyers claim to be able to make up to $100 each night by gathering and charging scooters. I'll give Bird flying a solid 5 out of 10 because obviously, to earn this much, you need to be as effective as possible, and having a pickup truck, SUV, or van is going to be a lot more efficient because it will allow you to collect more scooters than a mid-size sedan. Get paid to shop, eat, or play, at least that's the slogan of Market Force, a website where you can sign up and get paid for having fun. A mystery shopper's task is straightforward. Pretend to be a regular customer while entering a store, restaurant, theater, or somewhere else, while making notes and preparing a report that is subsequently returned to a third-party organization, such as Market Force. Now, the income can differ based on the difficulty of the assignment and the store you visit, but on average, you can anticipate to make roughly $20 per hour as a secret shopper, which is an awful 5 out of 10. As an example, I built my entire freelance web design business on top of Upwork before becoming a full-time YouTuber. However, I want to introduce you to a website called Clearview. You may have heard of websites like Upwork and Freelancer. These websites allow you to submit proposals to clients who are seeking a service that you might offer. Fiverr, a well-known website, just purchased the freelance writing website Clearview. When compared to other freelance websites, Clearview is really unique. Because on websites like Upwork, freelancers win contracts by bidding on proposals, the issue with this is that it can occasionally create a race to the bottom mentality where you just set the lowest bid possible far below the client's budget in order to become more attractive for the job. As a result, you end up making far less money than you're actually worth. With Clear Voice, no bidding takes place. Instead, you submit your portfolio of work and set your rate. I'll rate it a 6 out of 10 because some assignments may be completed in less than a day, which is not too bad for a little key pounding. GigWalk, a website that lets you complete small jobs for companies and make incredibly easy money doing so, comes in at number 7 on the list. Tasks include things like taking pictures of grocery shelves to ensure that a product is being displayed properly, auditing restaurant menus, or attending company events to check on quality and accuracy. Anyone may earn money doing this because activities on GigWalk can take anywhere from 5 minutes to many hours to complete and pay anywhere between $300 and $100 depending on how difficult they are. This is a terrific tool to use whether you're searching for some additional spending money or you want to get a complete extra salary. Getting started is easy. Just download the GigWalk app on your Android or Apple device, create your account, and answer a few simple questions about yourself. I'll give it a strong 6 out of 10 for linking your PayPal account so that you can actually be paid and get started. What if you could post the identical photos you shared on Instagram somewhere else where they would generate income for you? Snapwire. With Snapwire, you can sell your photographs to brands all around the world and make a ton of money doing it. In addition to photographs, you can also sell movies, graphic designs, and artwork. You may earn money with this app in essentially 2 different ways. The first is by adding high-quality pictures, graphics, and videos to your portfolio. And when someone purchases something from you, you'll get paid a commission. The second approach is to take part in challenges or competitions that customers host that are very similar to fake apps. There is a list of specifications, and if your image, video, or graphic design satisfies those specifications, the client will probably select your submission as the winner, paying you more money. The amount of money you make depends on the request, but it can range from $25 to several $100s. What's even more impressive is that you get to keep 100% of those profits. Kudos to Snapwire for scoring 6 out of 10. Now, if you have excellent listening and typing skills on a computer, you may work from home and earn money by transcribing audio or video. All you need to get started is a computer, an internet connection, and a PayPal account so that you can get paid. A good keyboard with some good risk support might also be a good investment so that beginners can earn. Scribble is a transcription service that businesses can use to transcribe things like speeches, recordings, meetings, phone conversations, and even YouTube videos. This may not seem valuable to you, but many companies will pay top dollar for this service. I'll scribble you this down at a 7 out of 10, whereas more skilled typists can make up to $3,200 per hour working from home. Field agent is a terrific method for you to make extra money by performing these straightforward chores for some of the biggest firms in the world. By taking pictures, sharing opinions, and completing other tasks while using the app, you can help brands and retailers learn more about your preferences and behavior. For example, you can take pictures of marketing materials and stores to ensure that they are presented properly and provide feedback that enables businesses to provide the best products and experiences possible. This is a legitimate way to earn money, and the best part is that the app will pay you right away after you complete a task. To get started, just download the Field Agent app, reserve a job, and complete it. Once the job is finished, Field Agent will check your submission. Once your submission is approved, you will receive payment. So in addition to earning money, you could also be helping millions of other people. For just a few hours worth of work, folks have claimed to make anywhere between $100 and $300 each day. I rate this a solid 8 out of 10. TryMyUI is very similar to another website we discussed on this list, Enroll, but better. With TryMyUI, you test websites on your mobile device or desktop computer and provide honest feedback about your experience using that website. The testing entails you performing various tasks on the website or mobile app and providing honest feedback about what you liked and disliked about your experience. All of this is taking place while your screen and audio are being recorded. Please respond to the following questions so that we can view the website Zomato. Give us 3 words to describe the website or 3 things you remember about it. I definitely get a sense of this place simply by reading through, so I'd say it was really simple. There is no cap on the number of exams you can take each day, and each one will earn you $10. Payments are transferred to your PayPal account every Friday, so even though you aren't technically getting paid every day, you are getting paid every Friday. Yes, I am aware that doing this is substantially better than conducting surveys on websites like Swagbucks, but you are still receiving payment at least once each week. Simply visit the website, click on Get Paid to test, create a free account, and then begin earning money. The user interface is a great 8 out of 10. In my books, What If You Could Earn Money by Dressing Up as an Outlaw Biker? All of this is made possible by the website Fiverr, which you are surely already aware with. Yes, you can sell actual services on Fiverr, like creating neft artwork, editing videos, or designing logos. But those tasks require expertise and who has time to go pick up a new skill. The point is that you can essentially make money on Fiverr by doing anything. Thus, even if you lack a particular talent, like writing, drawing, or singing, you can still earn money by being clever, creative, or funny. Honestly, depending on how you go about it, you might end up making a lot of money. Many Fiverr users earn well over 6 figures annually. 9 out of 10. UserTesting.com is essentially the Apple of the survey/user testing world. While other survey websites will send you low-quality surveys that pay you pennies on the dollar, UserTesting.com pays you well dollars on the dollar. Some of the largest companies in the world use UserTesting.com to gain insightful information about their products. These companies are willing to pay really good money to get genuine feedback from real people. I mean, we're talking $4 here. Just taking surveys, not quite like some other websites on this list, and between $30 and $120 for every live interview that can run between 30 minutes and an hour. You will test things like websites, apps, and even actual physical products on the usability, customer experience platform, UserTesting.com, to ensure that the user experience while using those products is consistent with the brand's expectations. To get started, you'll need a computer, an effective internet connection, a telephone. If your computer doesn't already have one built in and a PayPal account, go to UserTesting.com to get paid. Click the Get Paid to Test link at the very top. I think it's simple to state that earning a little extra money on the side while assisting brands in creating better products and experiences that will benefit people all around the world is a win-win. I'll give this one a perfect 10 out of 10. Enter your email and follow the instructions to get started. You guys are wonderful, and I'll talk to you shortly. Take care.